Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Notion AI for task management. Go ahead and open it up, right? And then continue using your account. In my case, I'm using Apple. So I'm gonna continue logging in with my Apple. Allow notifications and basically go and click the browse template, right? And then just type right here, task management, right? Management. So you're gonna see right here the results. You're gonna see the task manager right here. Go ahead and click this template, for example, right? And you can use this as a way to manage your tasks or your job or your important to-do list, right? So you can click it, use template at the top right. You're gonna be able to use that template as your way to organize your tasks in your project. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.